Travel drones make capturing adventures easier than ever, offering high-quality cameras, long flight range, smart tracking, and compact foldable designs perfect for trips. Whether you're exploring mountains, beaches, or busy cities, the right drone helps you record smooth, stunning aerial footage. In today's list, we highlight the top 5 best travel drones of 2026. Feature-packed, portable, and powerful options chosen after checking real user reviews and the latest specs. Product links are in the description. Number 5. Xiaomi V198 GPS Max Drone. The Xiaomi V198 GPS Max brings an 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and a stable brushless motor system. Its laser obstacle avoidance helps avoid accidental crashes, while the foldable design makes it ideal for travel. GPS positioning ensures steady flight, and the quadcopter handles outdoor conditions well. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants sharp video and easy controls in a compact drone. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 delivers 4K HDR video, stunning 8K photos, and a 3-axis gimbal for smooth shots. Weighing under 249 grams, it's ideal for travel with no hassle. The 10-kilometer transmission range, vertical shooting, AI night mode, and AI tracking make it perfect for creators. Its compact build and strong stabilization provides cinematic quality footage whether you're hiking, touring, or recording daily adventures. Number 3. Xiaomi A14 Pro Max Drone. The Xiaomi A14 Pro Max offers 8K ultra-clear dual cameras, brushless motors, and GPS for steady, reliable flight. Its built-in large display makes control easier without needing a phone. With optical flow and obstacle avoidance, it's ideal for beginners. The bright, sharp camera quality makes it great for travel vlogging, landscapes, and aerial photos. A reliable choice if you want strong performance and portability. Number 2. New S2S Mini Drone. The S2S Mini Drone features an 8K HD camera, long 25-minute flight time, and advanced obstacle avoidance. Its brushless motors and foldable design make it both powerful and travel-friendly. With optical flow positioning, it stays steady even indoors or low-wind areas. Perfect for travelers who want clear footage without carrying a heavy drone. A solid pick for beginners and casual aerial filming. Number 1. Lenovo KY102 Drone. The Lenovo KY102 stands out with its 8K dual camera setup, smooth brushless motor system, and dependable obstacle avoidance. Optical flow keeps the drone stable for clear, steady shots. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it ideal for trips, while the HD cameras capture impressive aerial views. Great for travelers, vloggers, or anyone wanting high-quality footage with an easy portable drone. If you want portability, sharp video, long range, and smart flight features, these travel drones offer the best balance of performance and value. Foldable, lightweight, and perfect for capturing trips from above, there's a great option for every traveler. Tell me your favorite in the comments.